Hello everyone, welcome back to AMC India. Today I am going to cook Channa Dal Kheer. Let's get started. To make Channa Dal, I am using 24 cm roaster. First, I am adding 1 cup of Channa Dal, washed and soaked. I have soaked dal for half an hour. Into this, I am adding 2 cups of water. Now we have to close the roaster with second lid. I am switching on the flame. I am setting the audio therm in turbo window for 2 minutes. It has reached turbo window. I am switching off the sound and switching the flame to low. Cooking time is completed. I am switching off the flame. Switch off the audio therm. Let it rest until it depressurizes completely. It depressurizes completely. I am opening the lid. Dal is cooked well. Now I am switching on the flame again. Into this, I am adding 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. Mix it well. Now I am adding coconut milk. And let it boil for some time. Until this gets boils, we have to fry dry fruits. And to fry them, I am using 16 cm low. First we have to preheat the unit on the high flame. I am setting the audio therm to roasting window. That is roasting window. I am switching off the flame, switching off the audio therm. I am adding ghee. Dried coconut, almonds, cashew nuts and raisins. Everything is fried well. Now I am keeping it away. Now I am adding cardamom powder and fried dry fruits. I am switching off the flame. Channa Dal Kheer is ready.